you guys are fine. So let's go in today's class. So this we learned in class 20. Components of IR sensor, working of IR sensor, comparator LM393, Arduino Nano pinout. So let's overview of today's class. What is sound? Sound production, different types of medium, working of microphone. So how do sound travel? So you can see in the image solid, liquid, gas. So you can see I made this. So let's make this. For this you need one breadboard with nano, one USB cable, sound sensor, one LED, jumper wire male to male, and one resistor. So you can see connection of sensor. Our clap light is ready. Thank you guys. Bye bye.